Will you shut up?
Can't you see I'm busy?
It's that woodpecker again. He's turning purple.
Guess who?
Guess who?
You're not going to pull that old gag on me, are you, son? Do you know what I did to the last guy that tried that?
I tore him limb from limb. Well, that's scary.
It worked. They got me.
Why, we're different. We're...
No money, no politics, no... Oh, God.
Daddy, can you really?
1 hour later.
Really?
2 hours later.
Really?
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Really?
Will you shut up?
Daddy, it's that woodpecker again. Oh no, what a surprise.
I love being purple!
Oh, hello there.
Egghead! Who's an egghead? Eggface?
I tore him limb.
And I always win. Double
It worked. They got me.
We're...
Food. Guess it.
Hello, my baby. Hello, my honey. Hello, my ragtime gal. Sunday, kiss my wife.
You be quiet.
Go later.
What do you have to say now, egghead?
You can't do that to me, miss. What?
Destroy you all. I won't stop until you're...
Shut the hell up, bitch.
Who says so?
You want to complain? Go put your head in the toilet.
Maybe I am crazy. Maybe I better see a psychiatrist. I'll go see a doctor. That doctor sure is a card, isn't he? But I don't think so. Do you think so, Mr. Hunt? I like card. Whoa, wow! Get me out!
Oh, hello there.
Run this street. It's Saturday o'clock, come on, get on your feet. The world's our dance floor, our moves are sweet. We're Harvey kids, gonna run.
It's working.
Run this street. We'll never grow up and we're never gonna leave this 24/7 block party. We're Harvey kids, gonna run this street.
Hey, you! Cut out that noise!
You're an idiot.
I collect you and your whole family.
Oh, shut up.
Eggface?
You? Do you...
Eggface?
I'll go see a doctor.
Ice cream, the hoppers all get panicky. On my horn. What is that? Holy G. It's the busiest blonde I ever went around with.
Now how about some color, stupid?
What's up? Let's go.
What's a going on?
Okay, head. Number one, this feather prints. I got a big. This isn't it. Huge wave, Seuss. Ding dong. Sticks. How about a magic trick?
Gopher.
Possibly. Oh yeah. Haul it off.
Boy, oh boy, what a day for a swim. I'm going swimming. Must be hard water in this lake.
Garbage.
Yes, no.
Olivia de Havilland.
Darn it, Woody!
Hey, wait a minute. Let's do something else.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Did you just assume my gender?
Okay, everyone and anyone in the audience.
the main attraction, terrible. It's a lot of...
Oh, sorry.
Ding, shatter.
Guess who?
You know better than that.
Can't you see all of my feet?
Oh, pardon me.
Look at my feet. They're all crooked and everything.
Well, soda pop.
That is my impression of American advertising.
3 weeks later.
Come on, open up, open up.
Many months later.
Come on, open up, open up. Have some pop, cop. No, stopper, stopper.
Alright, let's move on to the baseball game. Play ball. Toss me that old apple.
Okay, you asked for it.
But I'm not done yet.
I'm going to fly for you.
Where do you go?
The Billy Barber Shop. Tony Fig Aru Figaro Prop. Need a...
YTP.
Yeah, and I'll bet he ain't kidding either. Oh, well, maybe I can cut my own hair. I cut my own teeth. Now, let's see. Where do I begin? Looks like Harmonica Lake. What'll you have, chum?
I want you for to give me the whole works, Figaro.
Okie dokie.
Remove the hat. Dope.
Avrò piccolo, vado bravissimo, avrò piccolo, vado bravissimo, fate fortuna, fate fortuna, fate fortuna, mancherò, avrò piccolo, vado bravissimo, avrò piccolo, vado bravissimo, fate fortuna, fate fortuna, fate fortuna, mancherò, sono il ricordo che non ci trovo, sono il ricordo che non ci trovo, che non ci
While the grasshopper, when winter came, the ant had plenty of food. The grasshopper was cold and... Like that's ever gonna happen. You're not an ant. You're an ant. You're an ant. You're an ant. You're an ant.
That's right, but the ants taught me a lesson.
1 second later.
Nope, 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 nope. No.
Pardon me. Would one of you step in the lump and get me a mean...
You said it! You said it!
Oh, no, you don't!
Dr. Short...
That isn't smoke, it's steam.
I like trains.
Oh, hello there!
It wasn't that funny. Just keep laughing and slowly walk away.
Here's a story that's really scarifying. Oh, brother. I call it. What even chimed door? I want a.
Holy macaroni! My leg!
Skip it a button, dada. Skip it a button, dada.
Not this again.
You can't help but feel a little rejected.
This here's our roundup day, so you all pretty nigh ready?
No. Too bad.
And then here we go. Wanted, dead or dead.
I killed 7 with 1 blue.
I'm gonna bash him right the fuck up in.
Freeform jazz.
Reach for the floor, or.
You have the power of God at your fingertips, and you choose to watch inflation!
Skip it a button, dada. And that's it.
What is roundup?
Me bounce him out.
And the bounce
Of my sass cheeks.
Right, huh? But he warned me of
Buzz Lightyear.
the mail must go through.
Double.
How you doing?
Horn toad.
Very funny!
Who said that? Are you a ghost?
Hello.
Don't let your kids watch it.
Now ain't that cute?
When I grow up, I want to go to the moon.
Why wait?
Guess who?
I don't know.
Get it?
Anne, you still here? I'll get rid of that pecker myself. No one will recognize me in this disguise. I fooled everybody.
Papa. Poor Papa.
Ooh, getting scary.
Hey, Andy Panda.
You're expecting Mickey Mouse? Huh?
Wow! How original!
Trick or treat.
Watch me swing right in. Swing, swing.
Woof, 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 woof.
Enough sadness, let's party.
The Woody Woodpecker song.